trigonometry. 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 Tri means three, gono means sides, and metry means measurement. Okay. So it means that we are going to find out any figure which is three-sided figure, and three-sided figures are mostly triangle. Okay, so all the three-sided figures are triangles. So basically we are going to talk about the triangles over here. Now there are different type of triangles according to the angles given. Okay, if we will have either, but I always divide them into two parts. One is right angle triangle and the other one is non right angle triangle. Okay, so when it comes to right angle triangle, right angle triangle, so in right angle triangle we are going to have, in a right angle triangle we are going to have a 90-degree. Okay, and for this one, this right angle triangle, we have some ratios. Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta equals to perpendicular over base. Okay, this is the concept which you have to remember. Sin theta equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos theta equals to base over hypotenuse, and tan theta equals to perpendicular over base. Okay, now for instance, they are saying that we have got a right angle triangle. We have got a right angle triangle. Okay, fine, I have got a right angle triangle. Okay, then they have told us that there is a 90-degree. Okay, there is an angle theta, an angle is there, angle theta is there. Okay, now let's say they are telling us that sine theta in this triangle whose values are not given to me. Okay, it is used for many different parts. So they have given us this thing. They are saying that in one of the part, the value of sine theta is given 7 over 25. It's given 7 over 25. Okay, and they are telling me to find cos theta, and they are telling me to find tan theta over here. Okay, they have given us that in this triangle whose no value is given to me, cos theta, sin theta is 7 over 25. Okay, cos theta and tan theta is missing, and I have to find that one. In order to find this one and this one, okay, first thing, sin theta is given perpendicular over hypotenuse, which is the formula perpendicular over hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 25 and perpendicular is 7. So of course, what I have told you, if sine theta, cos theta, tan theta is being applied, it is always on right angle triangle. And we know that for right angle triangle, we got a formula, and that formula is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. I'm not going to find the value of theta over here, putting it over here and then simplifying it. No, I will be using it without using calculator. So hypotenuse, what's hypotenuse given? 25 square. Perpendicular can be 7 square, and base is given. No, it's not given. I have to find. Okay. So 25 square will become 625. This is 7 square will be 49, and I have written b square over here. Okay. Simply I have applied Pythagoras theorem by using these ones. Okay, and then I am simplifying it to get my answer without using calculator. Okay, I'm not using any calculator over here. I'm just solving it directly. Okay, you can also use calculator, but the main thing which I was trying to get you guys, not to get the value of this theta right now. instead going for this thing. Okay, so b square, when I will simplify it, it will become 576. Taking root on both sides, b will be equals to 24. Okay, base is coming 24. So now when I have to find the value of cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse. What is base? 24. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse was given 25. So cos theta equals to base over hypotenuse 24 over 25. In the same way, if I have to find tan theta, perpendicular over base. What's your perpendicular? Your perpendicular is 7. Your base 24. So your final answer is coming 7 over 24 in this scenario. Okay.